Hi students, good morning. The continuation part, previous JEE questions. We have discussed previous class up to 9th January first shift 2019 questions. Okay. Today 2019 January second shift online exam. Integration of 0 to pi mod of cos x whole cube dx. 0 to pi mod of cos x whole cube into dx. See, mod is a special function. We should eliminate mod. Yes, understood? We should eliminate the mod. Now see, when the mod is changing, when the cos 90 is 0, cos 90, if you take 90 it is 0. So at 0 is a turning point. Above 0, above pi by 2 negative, below pi by 2 is positive. So we have to split 0 to pi by 2 mod of cos x whole cube dx plus pi by 2 to pi mod of cos x whole cube dx. In this interval the cos is positive. In this interval the cos is negative. So 0 to pi by 2 cos x is positive, then mod of cos x is cos x, cos cube x dx. In pi by 2 to pi this is negative, so minus cos x whole cube, cos cube x dx. 0 to pi by 2 cos cube x, which is in the form of 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx. So we can use formula direct. Tell me the 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx formula. N minus 1, 3 minus 1 means 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3, last term is multiply by 1. So there is no 0 to pi by 2 here. So this formula 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx formula not applicable here. Why? Because limits are different. So minus pi by 2 to pi cos cube x. How to find cos cube x? By using reduce the power cos 3x formula. Cos 3x formula equal to, tell me, 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x, right? Understood? Cos 3x equal to 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x. Now 4 cos cube x transpose this side, you will get 3 cos x minus cos 3x divided by 4. This is. Now here 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4, 3 cos x integration minus 3 sin x. Cos 3x integration is sin 3x by 3. Limits pi by 2 pi. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Upper limit sin pi is 0, sin 3 pi is 0. Minus lower limit sin pi by 2 is 1. So minus 3. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 minus plus 1 by 3. Right? So 2 by 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 1 minus 8 by 3. Yes? Minus plus 1 by 4 into 8 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. So answer is 4 by 3. Answer is 4 by 3. A option. Here A option is 4 by 3. B option is minus 4 by 3. C option 0. D option is 2 by 3. This is the correct. Next question is integration of alpha to alpha plus 1 dx by x plus alpha into x plus alpha plus 1 equal to log of base e 9 by 8 is A option is 1 by 2, B option is 2, C option is minus 2, D option is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Yes, alpha to alpha plus 1. This is it is a factorization here, x plus alpha plus 1. So to split this, these factors we have to make in the numerator. Integration x plus alpha into x plus alpha plus 1. Here numerator is 1. So what to do to get this? Add x and subtract x, add alpha and subtract alpha. Okay, so plus 1 here, x plus alpha adding and subtracting x plus alpha. See, x plus alpha minus x plus alpha get cancelled, 1 by x plus alpha into x plus alpha plus 1 dx remaining same. So this is the factors, understood? This is getting idea, from the denominator will get the idea. Now by splitting this by this get cancelled, 1 by x plus alpha dx minus this get cancelled, 1 by x plus alpha plus 1 dx equal to log of base 9 by 8. Right, alpha to alpha plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 integration is log of x plus alpha, limits alpha to alpha plus 1. This is log of x plus alpha plus 1, limits alpha to alpha plus 1 equal to log of 9 by 8. Right, apply here upper limit, log of alpha plus 1 plus alpha 2 alpha plus 1 minus log of 2 alpha minus log of alpha plus 1 2 alpha plus 1. Okay, next minus lower limit, minus plus log of alpha plus alpha 2 alpha plus 1 equal to this is log of 9 by 8 base e. Now use here log of m by n, 2 alpha plus 1 plus log of 2 alpha plus 1, m plus n, log of m into n, here m into n. So which is equal to log of 2 alpha plus 1 whole square. This by adding log m plus log n equal log of m into n. Here minus if you take common, plus get, so multiply this is log of m plus n, log of m into n, minus is there, it comes down, log of m minus n, log of m minus log n equal log of m by n, 2 alpha into 2 alpha plus 1, 2 alpha plus 1 equals log of base e 9 by 8 whole square. Finish, eliminate the log, you will get here 2 alpha plus 1 whole square, 2 into 2 4 alpha into alpha plus 1 equal to 9 by 8 whole square. 9 by 8 whole square. Understood here? Now verify what is the alpha here. The question is what is the alpha? Just substitute the option, you will get the answer. Yes, by putting alpha, first option is alpha equal to 1 by 2. Instead of solving, it's take time. By verification method, apply the option here. Put alpha equal 1 by 2 here. 2 into 1 by 2, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 square is 4. By 4 into alpha is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Get cancelled. So which is equal to 4 by 3. But the answer here 9 by 8 is there. This is the wrong first option. Go for second, alpha equal to 2. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 square is 25. By 4 into 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. Yes. So which is equal to 25 by 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 25 by 24 wrong it is. Then you take minus 2 here. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1, 3. 3 square is 9. Understood? 9. Log of 2 alpha plus 1 whole square by this is. Understood? Minus 2. If you take here minus 1 by 2, what happened? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1. Okay. It's 3 getting here. 2 alpha. Alpha is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 4. Yes. This is going to satisfy. Which is satisfied, that you verified. Understood here? Once again I am telling. Log of x plus alpha here. Log of x plus alpha plus 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. Here I put x is equal alpha plus 1. We will get 2 alpha plus 1. Lower limit is alpha plus alpha log 2 alpha. Upper limit is log of 2 alpha plus 1. 2 alpha plus 1. Yes. Understood? Yes. Next lower limit is alpha plus alpha 2 alpha plus 1. This into this log of 2 alpha plus 1 whole square minus take common this is log m plus n log of m into n, 2 alpha into 2 alpha plus 1. Okay, log m minus n log of m by n. Yes, by solving also we will get it. It's a take time, that is it's take time. So just verify which is satisfied 9 by 8 whole square, that is the correct answer. You will get 81 by 64. Next one is integration of the previous question 68 question is integration alpha to alpha plus 1 dx by x plus alpha into x plus alpha plus 1 dx equal to log of base e 9 by 8, not 9 by 8 whole square, 9 by 8. I think the 2 or minus 2 verify it, satisfy. Just you verify, by verifying you will get the answer. Next question is shift April 12th January, April 12th 2019, integration of 0 to pi by 2 cot x divided by cot x plus cosec x dx equal to m into pi plus n. Then what is the m into n equal to? Then m into n equal to, m into n equal to, option A 1, option B 1 by 2, option C minus 1, option D minus 1 by 2. Yes. Now see 0 to pi by 2 cot x, we can write cos by sin x, this is cos by sin x plus 1 by sin x dx. Later I will write this, first I am going to simplify this. Integration of 0 to pi by 2, sin x get cancelled by taking LCM, cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Understood? This is we can find direct, add plus 1 9 minus 1. Yes. So by splitting here 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So integration 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx. Now 1 integration is x minus 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 integration tan x by 2 by 1 by 2, limits 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit pi by 2 minus tan of pi by 4 is 1, lower limit is 0, answer is pi by 2 minus 1, but which is equal to this is pi by 2 minus 1 equal to this is equal to pi by 2 minus 1, we got this value, but this is equal to m into pi plus n. Make into this form here, coefficient of m here 1 here, so take common 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 if you take common pi minus 2 equal to m into pi plus n. Equating with this, what is the m value? 1 by 2 and n value is minus 2. So when as per the question m into n equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2 equal to minus 1, this is the right. Next question is integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 secant power 2 by 3x cosec power 4 by 3x dx equal to, here option A, B, C given, this is form given, A is equal to A option 3 by 3 power 7 by 6 minus 3 power pi by 6, that after getting the you come to know that, just you convert it to that form. pi by 6 to pi by 3. This is 1 by cos power 2 by 3x, 1 by sin power 4 by 3x dx. Sin here. Cosec x is 1 sin power 4 by 3x divided by cos power 4 by 3x. Here cos power 4 by 3x. Understood? Then integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3. Here sin by cos tan power 4 by 3x. Cos power 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2 cos square x. 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx. Okay. So this derivative is here. Understood? So integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 tan power minus 4 by 3x into secant square x dx. Now the derivative is here secant square x, f of x whole raised to n into f dash x dx. So which is equal f of x whole power n plus 1 tan x whole power minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by minus 4 by 3 plus 1. So tan x whole power minus 2 by 3 minus 4 plus 3 1 minus 1 by 3 by minus 1 by 3. Right? This is we got and upper limit and lower limit pi by 6 to pi by 3. Minus 3 tan of 60, tan 60 is root 3 whole power minus 1 by 3 minus lower limit here minus 3 take common otherwise. Okay, minus this is I have taken out. Lower limit tan of pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. That you check it. Here it comes 3 power 1 by 2. Multiply here minus 3 into 3 power 1 by 2 here and minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3 how much? Minus 1 by 6. Minus into minus plus 3 into 1 by root 3 means 3 power minus 1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 6. 3 power 1 a raised to m into a raised to n equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, 6 minus 1 5 by 6. So 1 plus 1 by equals 7 by 6. This is the answer. 3 power 7 by 6 minus 3 power 5 by 6. So first option is right. Okay, here this type of form not there in the answer, then the power of 7 by 6 5 by 6 is there. Just you simplify it, you will get that. Next question is integration of 0 to 2 pi sin 2x step off into 1 plus cos 3x dx, where step x denotes the greatest integer function. Option A 2 pi, option B minus pi, option C minus 2 pi, option D pi. Zero to 2 pi, let this is I, use property, let this is I, use property, step off sin of 2 into in place of x 2 pi minus x into 1 plus cos of 3 into 2 pi minus x dx. Integration of 0 to 2 pi, step off sin of 4 pi minus 2x, sin of 4 pi which is that 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi is minus negative here. Fourth quadrant. Sin is negative. So minus sin 2x. 4 pi minus 2x. 1 plus cos of 3 into 2 6 pi. 6 pi here 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi plus cos is positive. So cos of 3x. And step is dx. Understood? Here this is called x here. This is called x here. Step x plus step of minus x, add both to I equal to 0 to 2 pi. Tell me step of x plus step of minus x dx, which is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 when it is non-integer. So this is minus 1 this value, this and this if you add it, minus 1 will get integration of 0 to 2 pi minus 1 dx. Minus 1 integration is x, limit 0 to 2 pi. Upper limit minus lower limit. So answer is minus 2 pi. 2 I is equal, that is. Then 2 get cancelled, I is equal to minus 5. I is equal to minus 5. Next question is integration of 0 to 1 x into cot inverse of 1 minus x squared plus x power 4 dx. Use property, let this is I is equal to, or yes, no need to use, just to simplify here, 0 to 1 x into this, can I write like this, tan inverse of 1 by 1 minus x squared plus x power 4 dx. Yes, okay. Now x square equal to t here because x is there here, let x square equal to t, then 2x dx equal to dt. Okay. Now integration, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, x dx equal to dt by 2. Next, tan inverse of 1 by 1 minus x square is t plus x power 4 is t square, and dx, x dx equal dt by 2, right. This is form, we have to make it tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy form. 1 by 2, 0 to 1, tan inverse of 1 here. 1, if you take denominator common minus t, then 1 minus t. 1 minus t. So 1 here there, add plus t and minus 1. So we can write here 1 minus t, 1 already there, 1 minus t plus t. This get cancelled, this is. So tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y equal to tan inverse of 0 to 1 tan inverse of x 1 minus t plus tan inverse of y t. Here tan inverse of 1 minus t, tan inverse of t both are same, because by property in place of t write 1 minus t, 1 get cancelled t, both are same, that's why these are equal. Then I is equal to 1 by 2, 0 to 1 tan inverse of t dt, 2 dt, 1 plus 1 2 get cancelled. So this is, you know how to find by parts. Tan inverse of t, okay, you learn already in theory, one integration is t, integration of 0 to 1, tan inverse of t derivative 1 by 1 plus t square, t integration is t, one integration is t dt. So which is equal to t into tan inverse of t minus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus t square, limits 0 to 1. Apply upper limit, 1 tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4, upper limit 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 by 2 log 2, lower limit is 0 0, this is the answer. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 log 2 is the answer. Next one, integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x dx divided by sin x plus cos x. Okay, sin cube x by sin x plus cos x, use property, this is equation 1. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus x cos cube x dx by cos x plus sin x. This is the second equation. Add these two. 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x. Numerator sin cube x plus cos cube x dx. A cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b sin x plus cos x, a plus b into a square sin square x minus sin x into cos x plus b square cos square x divided by sin x plus cos x dx. So this get cancelled. Okay, 2I equals integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x plus cos square x is 1 minus sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x, right? 1 integration is x, sin derivative is here sin square x by 2, limits 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit pi by 2, lower limit here sin pi by, upper limit sin pi by 2 is 1 by 2, lower limit is 0, 2I this is. Therefore, I is equal pi by 4 minus 1 by 4. I is equal pi by 4 minus 1 by 4. So, take common LCM. So, pi minus 1 by 4. C option is right, pi minus 1 by 4. Next one is f of x equals 2 minus x cos x divided by 2 plus x cos x. G of x equal to log x, then integration of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 g of f of x dx equal. First of all, let's find g of f of x. G of f of x equal to g of f of x is this is 2 minus x cos x by 2 plus x cos x. Then g of x equal log x, log of 2 minus x cos x by 2 plus x cos x. This is the value of g of f of x. When it is limits are same and having opposite sign, in that case we have to verify whether it is even or odd. Put x is equal to, let this is h of x, put h is equal minus x, h of minus x, log of 2 minus x cos x minus minus plus 2 minus x cos x. When it is comes reciprocal here, log of 2 minus x cos x by 2 plus x cos x whole power minus 1. So this is come this side, minus of log of 2 minus x cos x by 2 plus x cos x. So which is minus of h of x. That means h of x is odd. H of x is odd. When it is odd, the value become a 0. When it is odd, the value become a 0. So 0, here they given the option A, log e base e, B, log 3 base e, C, log 2 base e, D, log 1 base e. Which is correct? 0 they are not given, log 1 base e is 0, this is the correct. Okay, here after getting the 0, don't worry about that, here 0 is not there. I think you may thought wrong, again you may check, don't waste time. You check the options. Log e base e value 1, this is don't know, this is don't know. Log 1 base e is 0, so this is equal to 0, this option is right. Understood?